This is going to be a review of the Thermopeutic Reusable Ice Pack for injury and pain. It's 15 inches by 7 inches. Check out my channel. You'll see I've done a ton of reviews on ice packs because I am always sore. My muscles are always sore. My neck is always sore. I mostly use heat when I want to relax, but I find that when I use the ice pack, it just seems to solve so many of the problems. So I go back and forth between my love of heat and ice. So what do we have in here? We've got a package with some instruction, with a cover. We got a cover, we have a warranty, we have some instructions. Now, the thing I'm excited about is they say this is a one-hand attachment. Oh, okay, so that's pretty neat. Check that out. I like that. You know, when you go to put ice on your shoulder, wrap it around your shoulder, you have a hard time with the Velcro. So this is set up where you could put it on and use one hand to latch it. 15 by 7. You know, some people buy the small ones. Other people like getting the big ones. The advantage of getting something big, when you think about it, you go, oh my God, it's so big, I don't really want to buy something like that. But then you're able to reach more area. So for a shoulder, you want to be able to get on top of the shoulder. You want to get by the neck. You want to get on the lower part of the shoulder and part of the upper arm. For the back, you want to be able to get your neck. You could wrap this around by the neck and do the upper shoulders. For the back, something like this is really perfect for the back because it's big enough so that it should be able to go around your waist, and you could latch it, and you'd be able to strap this down on your lower back, L5, L4 problems that people have in their spine. Everybody that goes to a chiropractor, what's the first thing they tell you? Go home and ice. Pop this thing around your lower back, ice L4, L5. Everyone that goes to a chiropractor, what do they tell you? You got problems in C1, C2, C3. Put this around by the neck, cool it down, get rid of that swelling, get rid of the inflammation, and you take care of a lot of your problems. And then you don't really need to go back for a lot of treatments because you're doing the icing at home. Online it says they have a neoprene strap made for one-hand securing, and it's a long-lasting gel for hot or cold. So let's find out, how do we use this for hot or cold? Well, let me open this thing up and I'll show you what the instructions say. It's a little bit easier just to let you read this than to read it for you. So that tells you how to set it up for the cold, how to set it up for the hot, how to set it up for microwave, and then some caution information. And since this is going to be a review, just my first off general thoughts. Smooth seams over here. They look very strong. I really like the strap, because most of these don't have a strap and you just end up laying down, putting it on a towel and lying down, and it's kind of difficult. So everybody should have a strap on their cold packs or hot packs, and thankfully Thermopeutic does. So what I'm going to do now, I don't know how long it says you need to put this in the freezer. But normally when I do something like this, I like to put it in for 2 or 3 hours just to get it really cold. That way I can give a very good opinion of how it works, how it feels. So I'm going to pop this in the freezer, and I'll come back at the end of the afternoon and I'll test it out, and I'll give you my final opinion for the review on what I think of this. I'm very excited about using it. My neck is always sore, and it's sore right now. Hey everyone, here is the Thermopeutic out of the freezer. It's been in there for, what, about 5 hours? So let's see how it feels. Strap, it's not wet or cold, so that's a good thing. It's not going to soak your clothing. It's flexible, it's not hard as a rock, and that's exactly what you want so that you can move it around your body and mold it to your muscles. It is really, really cold. There's a lot of filling in here. I'm going to push it over. A lot of filling in here, a lot of filling in here, not so much filling on this section. That might have to do with how I put it in the freezer. So for me, my main problem, my major problem, is in the shoulder, in the left shoulder, in the front and the back. I have lots of problems in here. Oh, this feels so good. It's cold. It feels wonderful. Now I know it comes with the strap to hold it onto your body, and right now I'm not even worried about the strap because this is just so comfortable. I've done a lot of, this is freezing. Oh my God, is this cold. I've done a lot of videos where I have used ice packs, and some of these ice packs are so cold that you have got to use a towel you've got to use a towel underneath this and the shirt just so that you don't burn your skin, so you don't frostbite your skin. This feels really neat. I'm sliding this in the back right now. Let me see if I can show it to you. This is in the back. And I know I'm not using the strap the way it's meant to be, but that's okay because I'm just trying to test this out to see how it feels, how it works. Ha ha ha. Okay, I just positioned this thing over my back, over my shoulder. Okay, I've got the strap with the Velcro. It's hooked on the back. Oh my God, does this feel good. Would I use the strap? Well, I'm using the strap right now, so it makes it convenient. It makes it very convenient if you're sitting in a chair. When I use ice, I lay down on a bed, I lay down on a floor, I put this on the affected area, and I just sink into it and let it do its thing for 15, 20 minutes. Never go more than 20 minutes. How do I feel about it? This is just, this, you know, oh, okay, I'm happy with the strap. Let me take that back what I said. I've got this thing really tight and it's digging right in over the shoulder. Ha, ow. I mean, it actually, I'm feeling the pain of the sore muscle, and the ice is doing what it's supposed to do, and that's why it's kind of a little awkward. It's a good awkward. It's a good awkward. This is exactly what I need. Ha, who? Okay, this is a 5-star product. Totally happy with it. The strap really does make a difference because it's digging in. It's holding it where it needs to be. I want to try it on the lower back on C4, C5, L4, L5 like I was talking about. But this is my major problem right over here. A lot of us have problems with our shoulders, and this ice pack makes it really easy to just go hands-free and get your treatment. Boy, does this, it hurts. It hurts because the muscle hurts. The muscle hurts really bad, and the ice is doing what it's supposed to do. So this is a super, super, super fabulous product. You can't beat the price. Again, you cannot put a price on your health and taking care of your body. So something like this you definitely want to buy. Here you go again with the video. My shoulder is just feeling so good from having that on for a minute or two while I was doing the video. So, oh boy, woo! Here we go, right where it needs to be, at L4, L5. Ow, God, does that feel good. All right, there's no doubt this strap is really the way to go. It's holding the ice on exactly where it needs to be. If I was not recording this now, I would get rid of the shirt and the pants, and I would put this right on the affected area, and I would just sink into this ice pack for a while. For women, yeah, we got to talk about them too. For women, pop this thing on the front. Oh, this is really cool. Pop this thing on the front while you're sitting there. And it's great for your cramps. This is a really good unit. It's a very good unit. If you're worried about a little bit of the moisture going on your clothing, then put a little washcloth or something on there. Not a big issue. Okay, I'm not going to use the strap right now. I'm just going to test this out, see what it can do. If you have problems with your wrist, carpal tunnel. Wow, does that feel nice? Oh my God. You know, the neat thing about it, like I was saying, is that it is so cold, but it is not one of those things where it's just a block of ice that hurts you because it's frozen and not flexible. It's flexible. It feels good. You can put it on your arms. As you saw, you can put it on your abs. You can put it on your lower back. You can put it on your shoulders. This is just awesome. I want to try this on my neck before I finish off the video. Okay, that's exactly what I did. I put it on I stuck this on the back of my neck, wrapped it right at the base of the skull. This goes right into the crook of the neck, goes onto the top of the shoulders, wraps around a little bit. What can I say about this? Buy this if you have neck problems, if you have wrist problems, if you have abdominal pain problems or cramps, if you have lower back problems, if you have shoulder problems. I'm sure this would work great on the knee if you've got problems with water on the knee or pain with the knee, swelling with the knee, with the ankle. This is a really good product. There's no doubt about it. It's an awesome product. I'm happy with it. I'm happy I got it. Thermopeutic, and I'm going to go put a link in my description where you can pick this up on Amazon. This thing is just really worth the money. That's how good it is. It's worth buying because you're going to get a lot out of it. So thanks for watching my video.